Hi everyone, welcome to Divine Empress Vibes. Today we are doing another pick a card reading on their current thoughts and feelings for you. Okay, so we haven't done an energy check-in from a very long time and I thought why not do this? Okay, so without further ado, here we have two piles to pick from. Well, these are my favorite perfumes and I didn't know what to do, which ones to put as a choice because crystals were there, which we already do, but I was inclined to use perfumes today. So if you are like a perfume fanatic like me, then you would know. I have two perfumes right in front of me here. This is the perfect Marc Jacobs Intense. It's a very fresh summer florally kind of a very black cat energy kind of perfume, and this is the Alien Muggler perfume, and this is also one of my favorites. I love it during the night. So this is more like daytime, that's more like nighttime. Okay, without further ado, pick a pile intuitively. Timestamps will be mentioned in the description box below. And also, if you want to book a personal reading with me, you can reach out to me via Instagram, or you can also WhatsApp me to book an appointment. Okay, so yeah, let's get started with your reading. Hi Palwan, if you have chosen this perfect Marc Jacobs Intense perfume, then this is going to be your reading. You're someone who have a mysterious cat energy. Okay, maybe you're very quiet, very mystique, or you could be a healer, a tarot reader, or somebody very intuitive, somebody whose intuition is really strong and have a lot of variety. You like beautiful things, okay? You like wearing yellow shades a lot, maybe you like to collect shoes, ornaments, jewelries. You have very feminine features in you, or somebody who likes to dress very feminine. Okay, and you always smell good, at least most of the time. You have some star power energy. Maybe there is M and J as an alphabet in your name. Okay, you're also into sports, so maybe there is a balance of you playing masculine and feminine time to time. Okay, yep. So I do see that number three, number one can be significant, could be a life path number, could be also your mulang, which is your birth date. But you like fancy things. You like, fruits and having delicious meals, luxurious items, or maybe you at least aspire to have something like that. And yes, your heart is really big. In spite of all of it, you're very earthy. You earn your own money and you like to splurge a little and have a lot of self love for yourself. That's something on the energy which I'm picking through this perfume. Now, let's get on thoughts and feelings of your person. Okay, so today we'll do a little mix of card and a psychic channeling in the end because I want to try something new. I was in this creative mode. So let's get started. Okay, so pile one, what is their current thoughts and feelings for you? Let me just lay out the cards first and then we can do the reading. Extra Joker. Damn good. Damn good start. Lightning denotes surprise, disagreeable in accordance to distance. Maybe there is distance in between you two. Number 43 can be significant. 6 number can be significant. The shepherd indicates an intense love of life and strong fellow feeling. This person is definitely feeling your energy intensely. Okay. Now let's check through the cards. The current thoughts and feelings of my pile one. One. Strength, the world. I definitely sensed a separation due to distance, and the Three of Cups, Six of Wands. Just a few more cards and then I'll start. Okay. Fate and fortune. Okay. Self love. I was getting that from your perfume. Good job though with the self love thing. Okay. One more card. Okay. This person could have ghosted you. I had that feeling. Right. So, pile one. Their thoughts and feelings are that they are intensely thinking about you right now and the separation that has happened in between you two. That is, if you both are into separation, and I'm assuming a lot of people in this pile has been separated from their partner, their ex, or this could be they are something that didn't even materialize in the real world. Could be a crush as well, but maybe this is a long distance thingy. Okay, they feel that you're very strong and they are tied up with your energy. You bring a lot of strength to them. So I think you could be somebody who has strong Leo placements in your chart. Okay, you are also very lucky somehow for them, because this is the extra joker card, which is like a trump card, trump card which can change the luck. And yes, you bring a lot of fortune as well to this person. This person also feels that you're very fortunate in your life yourself. You are beautiful. You don't need anybody else. You have everything going on right for you. Okay, you could be very well settled. You have good money, or you are stable and secure in your life, or your natural luck factor could be very good. Okay, and but there was a detour and divine intervention that happened in between you two, and the fates changed, and it was their bad luck to lose you, is what they are feeling right now. They didn't expect it to end this way. Maybe they thought it would be a casual ending, or it could be very on and off, and maybe you all did had an on and off, but apparently things have become even worse with the time, because this person wasn't taking you seriously earlier, and now the distances have really been bothering them, because they feel that you're either moving on. Some of you are also getting married to somebody else, or you're already in a marriage, because a lot of people are watching my videos, so please take it as it resonates. And if that's not the situation that I sense, then there could be a third party in your connection which kind of created problems in between you two. Okay, here there is a third person, here there is a third person, and they had difficulty choosing between you and the other person. So they let go you, and whatever they have chosen, it's kind of bothering them because it didn't turn out. The grass wasn't greener on the other side. And they always keep looking back, and still they do, because you were the right person for them. You were the destiny which they let go, and what they choose was karma. Now they see you being very focused on your self-love, on your desires. You're focusing on your expansion, you're manifesting things into your life. Perhaps you're watching you glow, you're watching you on social media, and you're realizing that, what, this person was like a dream person to come through, and what did I do to this person? Some of them have even ghosted you, or behaved very hot and cold and off and on. Okay, you maintained your dignity and you detached from this person, because now you are not anymore into paying heed or giving them energy. But this person wants to come back to you, because they are feeling intense passion. They are hoping for a sunrise in your connection. They're hoping for some kind of rebirth in your connection. This person wants a strong relationship which they can finally commit and see long term with you in this no contact situation. But now, how much will they take action on this? We'll see that. Okay, because yes, the feelings are there. Yes, they want all of this. They want to move on from this situation and actually reconcile. But now let me tell you, this is not for everybody, because some of them may have already moved on and got married to somebody else. This is the third person they are with, but they are not happy right now, and they're always looking back. So it's like, it's a way where they have lost their chance. They fumbled the bag. And a lot of you can have unions through friends, common friends, and some kind of event, some kind of celebration and parties. And this person is gathering courage to show up at this event so that they can see you. Okay? What is their next real action? We'll check that as well. What is their next real action? 10 of Cups, emotional fulfillment. Okay? They want a family with you. They always dreamt of having a family with you. King of Wands, Page of Wands. Talking about action, they are ready for an action. And 10 of Wands. Okay. So they are contemplating. So this card has 10 of Wands and Ace of Wands, right? So they know that they are contemplating between two. Should I fire? Should I relit this fire? Or should I let it be? Because they see you, yes, they see family with you. They see all this, with you. They want to heal the connection as well with the water's energy and start new. And they also want to have kids with you. So you could be a single parent, or they could be a single parent, or they must have just gone to a separation as well. And then it was a very difficult thing to actually give you commitment, maybe because there was this third party involved, and they were just going through some legal stuff. But now they are ready for an action. Okay, so maybe you or them have a son or a daughter. Okay, I also see that this person is contemplating between holding back or taking an action towards you. So just give them some time. Yeah, give them some time, because the fire has ignited of taking an action with you. And with the King of Wands and Page of Wands, I do see that this person would reach out to you, because they don't want to let you go. They want to relive this fire, this love, this intense connection. And let's see how much action will they take. Okay, so Knight of Wands. So a lot of action oriented card. You can expect action from this person, because they have genuinely a lot of there's genuinely a lot of attraction and passion towards you. They're holding on. They are ready to open the door and come towards you. This person could also be watching you from far before they make any move. So please be rest assured that they are into this phase where, it's like get set and go. Now is the time to reach out to this person. When they feel the time is right to reach out to you, they will come rushing towards you with the horse. Okay, and I also feel they are healing from something, because this looks like a sign of healing to me. So maybe their health is not good, or your health is not good, and perhaps they are waiting for the right opportunity where it all settles down, there is calmer waters, and they can rush towards you. They also find you extremely elegant, extremely beautiful. It's something about your dressing style, your legs. They love your legs. Okay, they love your face. You could have a red hair. Okay, sharp features, sharp jawline. Your eyes is standing out. They love your eyes. Okay, they also see that you could be the perfect mother, perfect wife to their kids. Something about your features, they would love to have babies with you, because they want to have that kids with you with such beautiful features. That's their current thoughts and feelings, which I'm getting now. What and an advice I would like to take for you at this situation: what is spirit advising you about this person on your mind? It's too many. There is a reason you have those dreams. You're certainly very intuitive, and perhaps you are getting visions and dreams of this person. If you are getting dreams of this person, know that things have not ended. They are hoping for a sunrise in this connection, this rebirth of this connection, and they are also watching you. They want transformation in this connection with you. Okay, and if you are seeing them in dreams, they are reaching out to you via dreams. Perhaps they are even astral traveling towards you, giving you those intuitive nudge and messages through your dreams that, hey, I haven't forgotten you. You are very mysterious to me. I love your energy, and I am trying to heal myself so that I can transform this current phase of our connection and come towards you. Number one can be significant. 10, 14, 10, 10 is coming up, so maybe you're seeing this angel number a lot. Okay, 8, 21, 3, 6. These are the numbers which are coming up. Leo, Taurus, Scorpio, Aquarius, significant, and water sign heavy. So Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, and Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Yeah, these two signs and the ones that I've mentioned is coming up very strongly. You, like I said, you please note down your dreams, because I think you are getting downloads and prophetic dreams which can really help you, not only just in your love life but also in your career life. Okay, so I'll just keep it right here. The mystic. So some of you could be my mystic ones. Okay, don't worry, darling, you'll find your way. So maybe they want to give you a rose as well, and you're waiting for this person to come and actually ask you out. And I do see this. So you have the eyes here. They love your eyes. Maybe you have amazing eye contact, and this person wants to bring you roses and propose to you. Some of you may also get proposal to this person, because they want to bring back joy and have that carefree relationship with you again. So maybe you like roses, or they see you like a rose. Okay, right. So let's do some channeling as to, I want to keep this right here. I'll just keep it right here. I'll do some, what am I channeling for this person? What am I channeling? I hear the word charm. So maybe they find your face or your features very attractive, charming. Okay. Number 7, 11. 7, 11 can also be very significant. Uniform. Maybe you or this person wears a uniform to work. Okay, or something about the uniform. Maybe they are into army, navy, into some kind of government official job where they have to wear uniform. Sea. Maybe they live near a sea or a beach. These alphabets are coming up strongly. S, Q, V, W. maybe in your name or their name. Cherub, maybe you or them have cherub angels at home, or have kids who look like, who have very angel like features, and kids are angels, of course. Scholar, so maybe somebody is very good at studies. Reunite, they definitely want to reunite with you. They want to see you face to face and talk to you and clear any problems that you both share. Silver, I don't know what is about. Maybe somebody likes silver chains, silver jewelries out here. Maybe they are planning to gift you something silver, because gift is also coming up for me. Definitely this person have some gifts for you. I'm hearing reach out. So some of you, for them, they will reach out via phone, communication through text, call, or messages. Chapel, I don't know if you know this word. A lot of Catholics and Christians go to chapel. So maybe while you go to a common community, or you go to church, or you go to a place where you pray to people, you'll find this person, or you go to chapel to pray, and this person is praying for you as well. So I'll add that word. I'm getting that. Health conscious, maybe you or them, very health conscious, on diet, likes to go to fitness, maybe a fitness freak. Okay, fitness freak. What else I'm getting? Glamour biz. So I'm getting somebody is into glamour business. Maybe they are into some kind of business which involves glamour, hotel industry, or traveling, fashion, events. Rich, so maybe their lifestyle is kind of rich, or they like expensive stuff and they want to give you something which looks very exquisite on. I'm hearing the word miracle, so you can expect some kind of surprise coming from this person. Okay. Gold sequin, I don't know what this is about. Maybe you have a dress, you're wearing one, or this could also be that this person could be somewhere where there is a lot of gold jewelry. Gold souk is also coming up. Okay, could be from the Middle East as well. Mystery, so they find you very mysterious, and I was getting this mistake as well. So they find you very mysterious. It's like very difficult to get things out of your mouth, or they don't have any clue as to what is going on with your life. But they also find you very clever. There's something about you, they think your mind is also very strong. You're just beauty with brains, or where you are just beauty with brains, or there's something about your intelligence which is very sharp, very quick-witted. Okay, you're very humorous. This person may have trust issues. Okay, I'm getting trust issues. So they don't let people in their world easily, but they are learning to trust you. I'll keep this short and sweet, though it wasn't that short. We are 17 minutes in. So let's move on to the next pile. And if you like this reading, anything resonated, please comment and let me know, guys, so that I will know. I enjoy reading your comments. Also, we are going to choose one winner every week and give a free reading to that winner for showing support to this channel and helping it grow. And also, if you would like to book a personal reading with me, you can reach out to me via Instagram or WhatsApp. Until next time, pile 1. Take care. Bye-bye. Hi, pile 2. If you have chosen this Alien Muggler perfume. Yes, Alien Muggler perfume. This is my favorite perfume. I think I've repurchased this perfume. I love it so much. There's something about this perfume which is very soothing. The energy is such that as soon as I apply it, I sometimes apply it to sleep, because it gets me good sleep. It's very comforting, soothing, and it smells terrific, amazing. And it is also very long lasting. It relaxes my energy. It has this energy of a crystal, like amethyst. Like how if you are somebody who's familiar to crystal's energy. It's more like amethyst energy, I would say, because it will put you to sleep, calm you down, calm your anxiety, and suddenly put you in a very good mood, even if you're in a bad mood. So that's the reason. It's like, yeah, it's totally aromatherapy for me. And something that you have a little dark side to you, but which is also very good. You are balanced. And that I just said balance and my throat went for a toss. I feel your person's throat chakra is blocked. There is lack of communication here. My throat is gone, which was completely okay before this reading and totally okay while I was doing pile one's reading. So there's lack of communication in between you two, but they find you very enigmatic. They love your charm, they love your personality, you are very unique to them. There's some dark energy about you. Okay, you could be a Scorpio, or they are, or there is some transformation energy. Maybe they are also going through a dark night of the soul, or you are, but your energy is healing them in some way, even if you are not talking to them. Okay, but when you were in their life, you brought a lot of healing to their life, or they felt very good in your energy. I'm getting peace to their energy. Maybe they were not that happy when they met you, or they were coming out of some different difficult task or difficult relationship when they met you. Or this could also be you could have been coming out from a difficult relationship, but when you both met, it all was fireworks. Okay, so let's just look into your cards now. I'll keep it right here. I'll just pull out all of the cards, okay? And then I can start with the reading of it. What's five this person's fun feelings for them? The three, good health, near flowers, fulfillment of highest hopes. Yes, like I was saying, that you help them heal in some way. Maybe their health wasn't good, mental health or physical. And when they met you, their health started showing up, like you were the lucky charm for them, where their health started improving. Okay, they loved flowers, and they love your perfume as well. Maybe you have a touch of floral, in your perfume, or sandalwood in your perfume, which can have very calming energies. And fulfillment of highest hope. So maybe they weren't expecting you, but they weren't having any hope from anybody, but you came and changed the dynamic. You were like, what I wanted and more. Okay, children signify friendly disposition, gentleness. So Six of Cups energy is also coming up. Number 5, number 12 can be significant. This person feel like childlike with you. They enjoy being in your energy, and you make their inner child really very happy. Or perhaps this person could, and you can have a past life connection. Okay, what else is all these persons? Ace of Pentacles, Page of Swords, flowers are coming up again. Something about flowers in your connection. Two of Pentacles, the Star energy, wish come true, highest hopes, fulfillment, wish come true. Perfect. Let's see more. Okay, what else got the thinking number 2? This person's summer, activity, goals, progress, life force energy, new patterns. So something very significant is coming up in this summer season. Okay, I see something is going to happen in before March end or by May. Okay, in the next 3 months you can see something happening into your connection, movement, activity. Feminine energy, yin, intuitive, nurturing, created, wounded, insecure, victim. Okay, so this could be you or them. Whoever is the feminine may feel very you could be very loving, caring, giving, healing to this person, and they were wounded, so they didn't know how to reciprocate to your feelings, and you felt like a victim in this connection because you were just giving, and the other person was receiving, and this person eventually didn't know how to give back because they were a wounded masculine or a wounded feminine, whoever it is. Okay, what else is coming up? Goodbye. So this person left. Maybe you are not in touch with this person. Rejected. Yes, the feminine feels very rejected in this connection, and I can see that. You could be the person who were rejected if you are a feminine, or the person in question, the querent, the other person, and backstab. You feel cheated, decepted, which I was just saying. Mind games or love bombed by this person was very loved, and so mirroring. You both are mirroring the connection. This person showed their back, rejected you, or they felt rejected if they were a feminine, or and you were in the place where you may have rejected this person, and whoever was rejected felt backstabbed, cheated. They felt like there was some kind of mind games or something that has happened, and you were disappointed by this person in some way, and that's why you're choosing to love yourself, because you gave, and this person took you for granted. What they didn't know was you came like a healer to this person. Okay, now let's look into, I'll just pull out some more cards and then I'll continue with the reading. What can you expect next with this person? Six of Coins, next action. Two of Cups. Oh god, the player got played. Queen of Cups. Queen of Cups and King of Cups. Whoa. Five of Cups in the back of the energy. Okay. Right. So now, my dear pile 2, you need to know that if you are the feminine, you definitely feel rejected. Okay. You were in a very nurturing, kind, loving. You are very creative. You are, very, very soothing. Something about your facial features is also very beautiful. You may have freckles. You may have a beauty spot on your face. You love florals, or there is very soft feminine energy that I'm picking up from this group. Okay, you have a healers, you could be a doctor, you could be some kind of healer in your profession. You brought this happiness to this person. Okay, and they didn't recognize your worth earlier, and my door just rang. We'll take that as a confirmation. And I felt that earlier this person, so you were already committed to them or gave them the wifey treatment or a husband treatment earlier. You may have also given some kind of financial help to this person. Okay, and you're waiting for some kind of offer to come from them, but instead of that, they just rejected your offer. Either you proposed to them and they rejected you, or you were hoping that they would come to you with some kind of offer with commitment, but they played some kind of games and they backstabbed you or maybe deceived you in some way. Okay, please take it as it resonates. Or even some of them failed to give you the commitment that you required, because they always kept changing their mind. Today they say yes, I want to do this. Tomorrow they'll be like, no, I'm not sure. And there can be a possibility that they wanted to explore their options and try some new things, and they were always changing their minds. Or maybe this person is never stable in their feelings and thoughts. They always be, sometimes left, sometimes right, and you were not happy with this, because you are a very stable person. Because this could be, because you could be an earth sign strong in your charts, moon sign, rising, or sun sign. Okay, because I'm getting Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, and Aquarius coming strong. But what they didn't know, that even though you were a healer, it was not your job to save this person if they don't want to save them. Maybe in some situation they ran behind money or some other commitment and left you behind, because they thought that, this person would always be waiting for me, and why should I even invest here so much and so soon. So now what they have realized is that you are now into your feminine energy, whatever they were enjoying, and you withdrew your energy. So now they are realizing that what was your value in their life. Okay, you felt hurt, cheated, and they definitely are getting the karma, because now they feel that they lost such a gem. And maybe some people have also influenced them to create barriers and distance from you, but now they are feeling the need to give back. In the next action, we are checking they are ready to give back in this connection, but there are still other people involved. They're watching you from far. Okay, from top, from wherever it is. Maybe you guys stay nearby, or you guys are from the same community or people, but there are friends, people around them who kind of influence them to take a step back from you, and they got influenced. They walked away with them while you kept seeing them walk away. But now they reflected on this connection, and now they want to give back, because they haven't been fair to you. Yes, because they realize that you are their soulmate. Two of Cups energy, this is a soulmate vibe. Okay, so water sign is also here with very strong Scorpio, Pisces, Cancer energy. You and this person, so basically their ancestors also telling them, you did wrong. You weren't fair. I send you your soulmate, and you just effed up royally here, my friend. So they've got this realization because I think this person have also dated other people. If they are single, they've definitely dated other people, explored their option. They went on dates and nobody had given them the kind of vibe that you had given to this person. And even the angels are guiding them about this connection. That, hey, you know what? If you really want to build family, you could have done this with this person, but what did you do? Because you were the queen of cups and he was the king of cups, in reverse I would say, because they didn't fill your cup. But now they have become the king of cups and they have the memories of you, and they are thinking about this family with you, because if they think about commitment, they want it with you. Getting my point? So you are into a mirroring energy here. I am getting that. Could be a soulmate or a divine counterpart energy. Okay. Now they are into this energy where they are strongly feeling for you and they want to give back to this connection, because you were their queen of cups or king of cups. This person could have strong build. Okay, they could be like into gym, could have abs, could have a tan skin. Okay, you have beautiful straight hair. Okay, you or them could have kids, not necessarily, or you really made their inner child very happy, is what I'm getting. They want, there is some ancestral karma that they need to heal. I'm getting a tree here. Okay, because you are kind of you help them healed and you fulfill their wishes, but in spite of it they couldn't believe their luck that you came into their life and you could provide this stable foundation to them. But I do see them coming back with the summer card here, so something will happen within the next 3 months, 3 weeks to 3 months, is what I'm getting. So for some, 3 days also, it can be that urgent. Okay, pile 2. Now this person could live near a water body. Okay, right now they are kind of collecting their money, or maybe they are financially building themselves because they are not that financially strong. This person could be very much into career, finances, and want to grow in their life, because they must have kept love and relationship in the backseat. For them, financial stability comes first, especially if an earth sign. They really believe that if they are not financially stable, they are not ready for a relationship. So that's why they are building up their finances now. But nevertheless, I do feel that this person is somebody who got a revelation from the universe that, you know what, this is your person. So buck up and go to this person. Yeah. And back of the deck, I also have Six of Cups. So earlier, now they are thinking about the loss. What a major loss. They really made you cry. I can see that you really cried a river for this person. Okay, and now they are crying because of you, because they broke your trust, they broke your pot of love, while you had only been giving them love with the Queen of Cups energy, but they broke your pot, and now they are crying because they're trying to mend this broken pot for you. Definitely a sign of reconciliation. This is somebody who you strongly not talking to or not in touch with. Now what is the universe or the divine is trying to help you, I mean let you know through this reading? What do you need to do in this connection? It's time to leave the old behind, rebirth, shedding the chrysalis, taking risk. Now listen, my dear, if this was a toxic connection, and if this person didn't value you or treated you like shit, then for some of you I would really say just leave the old behind and move on. Because yes, I do see this person coming back and wanting a rebirth in this connection, and they will take every possible risk to have it all with you. But I feel like you're taking a seat back and you are doing your self-love and you are into your feminine energy. 13 number is also the card of death in the tarot cards, which talks about ending, bringing new cycle, rebirth, definitely renewal energy. Okay, you had to transform yourself because now you value yourself more, and there are a lot of butterflies, so you may be seeing a lot of butterflies as well. Okay, but it is totally your call if you want to take back this person on, or you choose to move on. If it's toxic and if it's not something worth giving a chance, then I would say then take a step back from this connection. But if you feel like nothing really happened, I was just disappointed because they didn't give any explanation, or this relationship was something which never even got its luck to bloom. Okay, because in the back of the deck I do see reach out to the potential that is calling for you. This person is certainly going to reach out to you. like 98% of chance. Okay, whoever is watching this video, of course everybody's situations and timelines will be different, but there is potential in this connection and there's a possibility of future together. They want to take this quantum leap into this connection. Number 5 can be significant, could be your date of birth or life path number, and 5 is also the number of change, which is telling me certainly a change is going to come, because you were the light of their life. You brought happiness, fragrance, light into their life. In the dark, they failed to see it earlier. Now they are missing the light and they want to build with you. It's totally a call. Okay, right, now let's do some psychic channeling as to who is this person, what do they want, and about your connection. I'm getting crossroads. So maybe this person was at a crossroads, or they have two paths to choose. Okay, call to action. So this person is going to take some kind of action towards you for sure, even if they have choices. Timeline. I don't know what is it about timeline. Maybe they, you or them, have some deadlines to meet, or they have to finish a project before they come to you. Surgery. I think this person has undergone some kind of surgery, or this could be also you. I do see good health recovery. So perhaps this person is not unable to take any action right now because they are not well, and they are trying to get better in terms of health, and then they would reach out. Injections. Oh my god, why am I getting this vision? Okay, guys, I think that this person is not doing well physically. Okay, they are also taking injections for some reason, so you would know better. And if you're in no contact, then perhaps this person's health needs recovery before they reach out to you. Pictures. They are watching your pictures. They're watching your pictures, and they're going down the memory lane thinking about. I think you've been reminded time and again to them by their guides, and they can't get you off their mind. I think there's a song, I can't get you off my mind. I don't know, please look up on the internet. I can't get you off my mind. Okay, this is what they want to say to you. This is a channel message that I got. Perhaps there is a song on it altogether. I really don't know, but I feel there is a song. Caliber. I think they underestimated you in some way. Yes, you're soft spoken or soft in nature, but you're they underestimated your caliber, your understanding of things, the maturity level, and they thought that, oh, this, I have to take care of this person. This person would be is so naive. I guess now we know who's more naive. So yeah, they also think that you were very naive back then, or maybe they had trust issues, and you were always very naive and nice to them, but they thought that, perhaps you want something from them, that's why you're being nice to them. Some people who can't receive things, they always tend to think, what does this person wants from me. Trophy. Okay, you are the trophy husband wife material, I'm getting. So maybe trophy, they now see you like you were the gem of their life. Trophy husband and wife, or some of you could also be getting a trophy or some kind of recognition very soon. Meetup. I don't know if they're planning to meet up. Okay, or if this is also an app called Meetup. So wanting to meet up, wanting to see you, wanting to see you and talk to you, because there's a intense need for it. Seahorse. Weird. So if you've been seeing a seahorse as a spirit animal or somewhere around your social media, then this could be a sign. Multi Multilingual. I don't know what this is about. Maybe this person speaks multiple languages or have to for their job or business. Okay. Catch up. I don't know, this person really wants to meet you. and they would either text or call or let you know that, hey, you know what, it's a long time no see, let's catch up. So that can be a possibility. Maybe this is a very common term they use when they want to meet up someone or text someone. You know how we have this fixed way of texting some people. Manifestation. They're manifesting you, my dear. Whoever you are. This person is manifesting you. Thinking about you, dreaming about you. Missed opportunity I'm getting. So they see you like a missed opportunity. Missed opportunity. Love. They love you. They want to see they love you. Certain behavioral patterns. So this is not they know that they have certain behaviors that they need to change, and they have repeated these patterns perhaps many a times with you, and they know that it could have been a toxic or a shadow aspect of them that they need to work on. Some people, how they have this tendency, before something good happens to them, they ruin it because they feel they don't deserve it, and that's exactly what has happened here. Pilgrimage. So I don't know what this is about. Maybe you or them are going on some spiritual trip soon, or they are going to temples, mosque, whatever, whichever religion they belong to, and they are praying that this all works out between you and them, because I do see them manifesting as well. Yeah, this is what I have for you, pile 2. I hope you got some information, you got an idea about your person. If anything resonated with you, please let me know in the comments below, and also let me know the other topics that you would like me to cover. And if you want to book a personal reading with me, please reach out to me via Instagram, or you can also WhatsApp me to book an appointment for a session. Okay, you can also book crystals with me if you like any of these, or if you want to wear a bracelet like so, so so yeah, you can reach out to me for that. Until next time, pile 2, please have a good life, please take care of yourself, and know that you're the best. You will always shine no matter what. Bye bye.